Hello, kindergarten boys and girls. Today, we are going to talk about many different types of transportation. Transportation is something that gets us from one place to another. Today, we're going to talk about a few different types of transportation and how exactly they work. What you see here is a car. This is one of the most common types of transportation you will see. I'm sure your mom or your dad have one, and they normally use it to take you to school or go to the store. And always remember that one thing about a car is that you always have to wear your seatbelt. Safety first.
This is how you buckle your seatbelt.
This is a type of truck. Your mom and dad may have one of these. It has less space in the front, but there's a spot in the back where you can carry things around that you couldn't fit in a car. But one thing you should never do is ride in the back.
Hi, boys and girls. This is called a train. A long time ago, we used to ride on trains to go across country. But today, trains are mainly used to transport items to the stores. The person who drives the train is called a conductor. He's the one that makes the train go choo-choo. The very last cart on a train is called the caboose. Trains ride on a track.
This is an airplane. An airplane needs a runway to take off and land. An airplane has wheels like a car or truck, but they come up when they're flying in the air. Airplanes are used for travel, for people to go from one place to another. Airplanes are known as the safest way to travel, and a lot of people prefer to use airplanes when traveling to far places because it is quicker.
This is what it looks like when a plane lands on the ground. Watch how carefully it lands.
This is a helicopter. It lifts directly off the ground instead of taking off like a plane does. Some of the different types of people that use helicopters are news reporters, military, and police officers.
Boys and girls, this is a motorcycle. Motorcycles go on the street just like cars and trucks. But unlike cars and trucks, they only have two wheels. So we have to be a lot more careful. If you ever ride a motorcycle, make sure to wear a helmet and eye protection.
This is an emergency vehicle, and this is a police officer. When you see him, he's here to help you. And don't forget, boys and girls, if you ever have an emergency, dial 911.
Okay, so today we have talked about a lot of different types of transportation that you might see around town. Some of the examples are motorcycles, emergency vehicles, and airplanes. What kinds of transportation